I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by adding the core validation controls to your page: required field validator, range validator, regular expression validator, and a validation summary for context. After that, set each control to validate to the matching text box or input ID so validation targets the right field. Once done, configure basic properties like error message and display. Make sure to use meaningful messages so users know what failed. This first step enforces simple client-side checks before progressing to conditional or custom rules. Next, refine behavior and rules. Assign a validation group when you have multiple forms on one page, and toggle Enable Client Script depending on browser support. Define range validator minimum value and maximum value, or a regular expression validator validation expression for patterns like email. When built-in validators fall short, add a custom validator and implement the server validate event to run server-side logic. Then also provide client-side script if you want immediate feedback. Make sure to test each route to confirm both client and server checks. Finally, ensure you always check page is valid in the button click or form submit handler before saving or processing data. Then, polish UX by styling error messages or using validation summary. Show message box for modal feedback. Make sure to include area attributes for accessibility. If things go wrong, inspect control to validate names, validation expression syntax, and whether enable client script is blocking scripts. One key tip: reproduce the error with client scripts disabled to verify server-side validation still runs correctly. This isolates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.